Hello, I'm Phoebe. This is the perfume bottle filling and capping machine. This is for nozzle filling, and that is cap feeder and auto filling the caps from that vibration plate. This is finished bottle, like this one. Now we see the bottle is seen like this, and the inside is like this, and then put this on here. So the process is follow the filling and then fill the inside caps from that one. Let's see. Then auto fitting these caps, auto fitting here, and then crimping from that capping head. Now, and the finish, the final to feed this caps by that machine, then finished it like this one. It can applicable for different bottle, suitable for different bottle by changing this style. This style change is easy. Notion here and this and that one. Notion and change this part can suitable for different bottle.